I'm Danielle, and this is my 2002 GMC Savanna. It doesn't have a name, but it is a 1-ton, so I've been kind of calling it that. And I'm gonna start building it out. I don't know anything about anything. So the previous builder used like zip ties to hold it down onto the metal frame here, and like an exhaust clips and shit, so I have to remove all of those. I'm gonna unscrew that, and I don't know if this is actually fixed to the frame or not, but I was just gonna cut off this carpet. Oh, thank you. Just kind of started whipping out everything without actually having any basic tools, and I don't even know what I need. So this is going to be the theme of the entire build. This fantastic fan came with the fan, so obviously we are going to keep it. It does work. We just hooked it up to a 12-volt battery in like the most insecure connection you could ever have, but it fucking works right now because it's 100 degrees and I'm dying. So I don't even know if this is the way you're supposed to do it.
Oh, we totally got it. Look at that.
That's funny because I'm Dutch. We have a ton of rush prevention to do here, folks. What do you think? How do we do today? Bill day 1 in the books.
How do I think?
Yeah.
Well, after we're all showered and fresh and so clean, and not having, you know, nasty shit in my hair and brown stuff out of my nose, I think we did a great job.
I agree.
Yeah.
Morning. This is Vanville day 2. Now I'm gonna go to the store because we don't have any food or coffee, and we need both of those before we start today. Today, I think the plan today is to actually do some more grinding and sanding, and then wash the interior again, and then paint the floor. Another episode of Dingy Danny Does It Again. Check out this shirt. Started a little late again and did a lot of sanding, metal sanding, and then washed it all off, ripped some of the panels off, the plastic panels like down here on the floor area, and in the back here by the back door, and then prepped it for this Rust-Oleum rust reformer. It instantly converts rust to a protected paintable surface. So you can see all the rusted spots that I sanded, that I exposed, are all black now. I'm gonna go over it again with a second coat, and then I'm gonna spray it with spray paint. Making progress. Okay, I'm gonna start painting this floor. Okay, so I just took like 2 paper bags and I just lined the carpet here. start. Okay, so I'll jump the gun a little bit. I started spray painting the floor before I took the ceiling down. So whatever. You know what? It's fine because anyway, the floor is going to be covered regardless, so it's fine. It's fine. I've been wanting to take care of the floor, and I'll be super happy when it's actually nice and done. I don't even care if there's scratches in the floor because I'm covering it anyway. It's fine. Part about this whole thing is waiting for the paint to dry before I can do another coat, because like I said, I did not remove the ceiling. I proceeded to bring the drill down to remove the ceiling, and I didn't remove the ceiling, but I painted the floor because the floor was I think it's because the floor was bugging me, and I was just like, I want to get this done. So well, now it's done, and now I have to wait. Could have taken the ceiling down, but no.
One eternity later.
Okay, I think I found a solution for not having the ceiling done. Cardboard. I really don't know what to do right now. Basically, the roof vent is on with some kind of sticking lap sealant or something, and it's very, very difficult to get off, and I'm worried that I'm probably gonna crack the external frame that goes all the way around it. So I might wait until I'm actually ready to tackle the ceiling before I actually rip that off, because I might need some help with that. Like, I really want to re-insulate that top. There's 1-inch foam board, I was told, underneath that. So, but I'm afraid I'm gonna rip that fucking thing right apart, taking that off, because the fucking guy put lap sealant on everything. Okay, I think I got it. I took a razor blade and just kind of went around the outside, and now it's soaking. So we're gonna get it eventually. Fine. It's good. Why is everything hard? They need to be. Let's just hang myself on this thing. Not in a suicide way, and I'm gonna just hold on to both sides with all of my body weight and just pull the fucking thing off. Let me make sure I can buy a sleeve for this thing first. Good news is that they do make more. Yes, I have done it. Thumbnail. focus on my pretty face. Look like a troll. Well, good news is they do make more Fantastic Fan garnishes, it's called. Just figured it out. I googled Fantastic Fan ceiling sleeve and it showed up garnish. So if you rip yours off your ceiling with plywood still attached, garnish. Okay, now that I just got done wrestling with the dreaded fan, next thing is to start removing the plywood from beneath this headliner. So there's plywood stuck behind this. I'll remove those screws. I think it's just one panel here, and then the rest of it is one big sheet. So wish me luck. The plywood ceiling off, and what I thought was the last lap sealant probably isn't true. I think this guy used lap sealant even for the insulation. Something strong. Hopefully not lap sealant, but look how bright it is in here. Now I'm kind of wondering if I should just leave what's there, but I really want to do the puck lights, so we'll see. Keep looking here, and I want to be looking here. You. Sorry, not used to it. Straight. No, I just had a hard time. Finally. Something that came down easily. Alright, we got a lot more to do. I can already see it now. This whole fucking thing is gonna come down right on top of me and onto my nicely painted. Good things to do by myself.